Hello everyone, I will show you about slime farming. Firstly, we are going to load our slurtles out with a rock inventory. I recommend igniting and extinguishing the dents. This way, you want to damage them, and the slurtles won't attack you. Slurtles will be aggressive to other player if they have a mineral in their inventory, but we give you priority on rocks and ground, so drop them if you don't want that. The pen can be made of any material, even fences. You need it so they want to go back to their dens. Slurtles or snurtles will produce slime from time to time like bifidus, but we want to make more this way if there is already one piece of slime. But they can also produce extra slime by eating minerals. To feed them with safety, we should drop one piece of mineral on the ground so they focus their attention on it. Remember to put closely. Then you go to the opposite side of the pen and drop all your goods. Also, try to separate stacks simply for snails, so often will be working. After that, pick the extractor mineral so they will start working. Different minerals can produce different amounts of slime. More info about that already. I want to talk. For optimal production, place your pen or a lot of players' pairs or near your base. The sites they will only produce slime if your player is slowed in the area. And that's it. Bye bye everyone.